So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable theft protection on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So go to settings. Under settings, go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Tap on that, and then go to privacy. Now under privacy, if you scroll down to more security settings, you should see the option theft protection at the bottom there. So that's what you want to tap on, and then you can enable theft protection from here. Now theft protection basically means your screen will lock. You have the theft detection lock and offline device lock. So these are both part of the theft protection. So theft detection lock, basically your phone detects if someone's grabbed it from your hands and is running away with it. So the gyroscope and the sensors inside the phone can detect that and lock your screen. Okay, now obviously it could make a mistake, and all you have to do if it's made a mistake is unlock your phone, no problem at all. Same goes for offline device. So normally when thieves steal your phone, they try and shut it down or turn off the internet or put it in flight mode, and as soon as that happens, then your device locks. So you can turn this on just for extra protection of your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now this is standard for most Android phones. Thanks for watching and good luck.